Welcome traders. I've discovered that so many people are looking for a way to easily calculate uh, synthetic indices lot size. So I decided to make this video and it's going to be short and straight. Assuming you want to short VIX 10 here, this is volatility 10. If we want to short it here and put our stop loss here and target our take profit here, to get the lot size, we use this formula. Lot size is equal to risk amount divided by stop loss point. Assuming we are to risk $10, let's have risk equal to $10. $10. In this setup now, we have our stop loss point to be 13.1600. So risk is equal to $10. Then stop loss point from this setup, stop loss point from this setup is 13.1660. 13.1660. Sorry, 13.1600. Good. So for us to get the lot size, we divide risk by this. So what we have now is 10 over 13.1600. Let's do the maths using our calculator so that we know what is the answer. This is 10 divided by 13.1600. It's going to give us 0.75 9 approximately. So this is what we have, 0.759, such that if you place the trade here, we are going to enter 0. This is let me check this way here. This is volatility 10. So we put 0.759. 0.759. So 0.75. It's only two decimal places that is allowed here. So this is it. Then we put our entry points. Or let me show you how this point is gotten. This stop loss point is gotten by subtracting the entry price from the stop loss price. So here you have this is 533. As since you are shorting, subtract this stop loss from the entry point. So you have 554, 554, 5546.4532 minus 5533.2932 is going to give us 13.16. So we have this. Let's do the maths together. Pick our reference. Have this number minus this. This will give us 13.16. So this is how to get the stop loss point. If you are shorting, you subtract the entry price from stop loss price, and if you are longing, you subtract the stop loss price from the entry price. So let's also try the long position. Assuming we want to long from here and we need our stop loss point, which we already have here as 8.1981. What we do now is to subtract the entry price, which is 5458.8635, from the stop loss price, which is 5450.6654, and it's going to give us exactly 8.1981. You can also do this for VIX 25 and other synthetics. That's how to calculate it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I'll answer you. Bye.